All right, let's get you started with the super popular HC-SR04 Ultrasonic Sensor. It's pretty cool. Think of it like a bat using echolocation. It sends out a little sound and waits for the echo.
So, here's the plan. We'll look at the pins, the wiring, the code, and then some pro tips. Okay, first things first, let's meet the 4 essential pins you'll be working with. Yup, just these 4 pins are the key to the whole thing. Let's break down what each one does. It's super simple. VCC is power, Trig sends the pulse, echo listens, and G&D is ground. Okay, now for the fun part. Let's actually get this thing wired up to a microcontroller. Seriously, it's just 4 wires. You've got power, ground, and then the trigger and echo pins. Hardware's done. Now, how do we tell it what to do? Let's jump right into the code. The whole secret is timing. We send a quick pulse out, then time how long the echo takes to return. First up in your code, you just have to define which pins you've connected Trig and echo to. Then, you send a tiny 10 microsecond pulse to that Trig pin. That's the signal to go. The sensor then makes the echo pin go high. How long it stays high is exactly what we need to measure. And here's the magic formula. Just divide that time by 58, and you get the distance in centimeters. All right, to wrap up, let's go over a few common issues and some pro tips to get better results. You gotta watch out for a few things. Voltage levels, weird surfaces, and even room temperature can affect readings. But there are easy fixes. Use a voltage divider for 3.3V boards and always add a small delay. So there you have it. You can measure distance with sound. The only question is, what will you build?